Hi, in this video we'll talk about Garuda Puranam, the punishments written in Garuda Puranam. Kala Satram, hot as hell, crime, disrespecting, torturing and putting elders and parents in starvation. Penalty, sinners are made to run around unbearable heat and drop down exhausted from time to time and made to undergo similar treatment as they did to their elders. Suchi Mukam, torture by needles. Crime, not doing good and amusing wealth by wrongdoings and stealing wealth not buying. Penalty, stinging with nails and torturing with hunger, thirst and constantly pricking and pieced with nails. Shatra Kara Dandam, hanging upside down. Crime, insulting good people and involving in bad activities and defaming elders, living with selfish motives and dragging. Penalty, life organs are tortured, hanging sinners upside down and tortured by evil unknown spirits in many ways. Ruravam, torments of snakes. Crime, enjoying others' property or resources through possession. Punishment, tortured with serpents, throwing in the hell of Rudravam, where people they have cheated assume the shape of Rur, a dreadful serpent, torment them severely until their time is up. Sukramukham, crushed and tormented. Crime, disregarding duties and persecute their subjects by misrule, punishing innocent people and accomplish unlawful activities. Penalty, sinners are crushed to pulp by heavy beating, grinding under the sharp teeth of an animal and repeated until the time is up. Salmali, embracing hot images. Crime, committing adultery, men and women, uncast relationship with kamukas. Penalty, hot solid figures of Gada, mace, club and made of iron are heated red hot and trashed on genital space. Yama's servant flogged the victims behind. Asitapatram, sharp flogging. Crime, abandon, giving up on one's own duties, abetting God and violating dharma practice. Penalty, flogging with whip made of asipatra, sharp-edged knife, shaved leaves, stabbing with knives until sinners stop unconscious, tortured by evil spirits, resulting fear and repeating the similar process. Puyadokam, well of hell. Crime, men having intercourse and cheating women with no intention of marrying, treating women cruelly like animals during sexual intercourse. Penalty, thrown in polluted well with excreta, urine, blood, plague, biting by poisonous insects and animals and remain until the time is up. Avicii, turned into dust. Crime, claiming false witness and false swearing, false evidence. Penalty, sinners submerged and tortured in live bodies, hurled from a great height and are utterly smashed into dust as they reach the ground. This is repeated until time period ends. Ayapanam, drinking a burning substance. Crime, drinking alcohol other intoxicating drinks. Penalty: women are made to drink liquid form of molten iron. Men are made to drink hot liquid molten lava. Mahararurvam: death by snakes. Crime: destroying other properties, denial of legal inheritance and possession of others' properties, brutally destroying other properties and families for the sake of acquisition. Punishment: squeezing and non-stop beating of sinners and snakes with extreme and violent energy and coiling around them. Tapti Murti or Agni Kundam: burned alive. Crime: stealing, snatching other properties by force, stealing gold and jewelry, casting into the flames of this narka, and gaining undue advantage and unlawfully making best out of everything in the world. Penalty: sinners are roasted in prevented positions with hands and legs tied over fire. Tamisram: heavy fogging. Crime: people who try to take the possession or other properties, wealth, money, land, house, jewelry, exercising unacceptable act such as robbery, surcharging with interest, etc., would be punished with this punishment by god of death Yama's retainers, and cast them into the Naraka, hell, known as Tamisram. Punishment: soul which has been confined to Tamisram Naraka would be trashed until the victims get bleeded and fainted and end of their time period in the hell. Andhastastram: fogging. Crime: soulmates, husband and wives who cheat their partners in relationship are punished with this penalty. Perhaps most of the people during these modern days may get punished with this penalty. Yes, very often we go through a story of divorce and many others unethical practices of relationship who treat their partners well when there is a need of them for profit or pleasure. Penalty: most of the penalties under Andhastramam are similar to that of Mistram, while it involves in arguing trash by tying up victim fast with the ropes and making them fall down unconscious circumstances in abysses. Vajrakanta Kasali or Vajrakanda Ka: emerging sharp images. Crime: unnatural intercourse with animals, humans, unmatching people for sexual contacts. Penalty: embarrassed physical hugging of fire, inspiring idols full of sharp diamond needles which would pierce through their body. Visasanam: bashing from clubs. Crime: rich people torturing poor and boasting the wealth and splendor without helping the needy. Penalty: non-stop bashing from heavy clubs from Yama servants until their punishment terminates. Dandasukam: eaten alive. Crime: persecuting others like animals. Penalty: eaten alive by beast. Sara Miyasanam: torment for dogs. Crime: unsocial act of poisoning food, mass slaughter, ruining the country, gutting houses, torturing lives, involving in massacre. Penalty: sinner cast in hell with thousands of dogs attacking and tearing their flesh with teeth until their term ends. Tortured by wild animals. Lala Bhaskaram, river of semen. Crime. Lust man wife torturing their soulmates partners, uncast intercourse, forced husband and wife to swallow genital liquid, sperm or white discharge. Penalty. Accused soul thrown in river of semen, feeding upon the semen alone until the period of punishment. Prana Rodham, piece by piece. Crime. Torture and kill animal for food. Penalty. Limb and fire organs of the sinner slashed by Yama Kinkaras, slave of the Lord Yama with arrows. Vatarodham, weapon torture. Crime. Persecuting animals living in the forest, mountain peaks and trees. Penalty. Handcuffed and torturing with fire, poison and various weapons. Parya Vratantakam, torturing by birds. Crime. Denying food to hungry people and abusing destitute. Penalty. Birds like the crow and eagles piece eyes of the sinner. Kumbi Pakam, cooked by oil. Crime. Killing animals for pleasure. Penalty. Throwing accused soul by huge boiling vessels. Rasso Jandasam, revenge attacks. Crime. Brutal killing animals, human sacrifices, eating flesh meat after sacrificing. Penalty. Killed animals during the lifetime are allowed to attack, bite and maul sinners whose crimes and complaints would be no avail here. Sula Pro Tam, trident torture. Crime. Causing harm and deceiving others by treachery. Killing innocent people, masterminding people, committing suicide and betraying a person trust. Penalty. Birds, pig, shula, impaled on a trident are used to torture, made to suffer with insane hunger and thirst, as well as endure all the tortures inflicted on them. Vaitarani, river of filth. Crime. Abuse with their power and adulterers, misusing the official and rulers' stature to attain undue advantage and acting against the dharma. Penalty. Submerging victims and soul in a river filled with human extra blood, hair, bones, nails, flesh and all kinds of dirty substances, where various kinds of terrible beasts will attack and mauled by these creatures from all sides. Added with this, sinners have to spend the term of the punishment feeding upon the contents of this river. Krimi Bhojanam, food for worms. Crime. Dishonesting guests, using people for self needs and gaining, eating and benefiting from others' work. Penalty. Sinners are subjected to worms, insects and serpents which would eat their souls and bodies until the punishment period ends with continuous process. Insects are left enduring the body. Ambakumpam, attack of the animals. Crime. Discouraging and not helping needed despite having the resources, opposing good people, torturing lives and inhuman activities. Penalty. Biting by wild animals, run over by wild animals, punished with a well of beasts like lions, tigers, eagles, and venomous creatures like snakes and serpents. Sinners had to endure the constant attacks of these creatures till the expiry of the period of their punishment. Thank you for watching this video. For more, subscribe to see